Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to solve Messenger floating video call. To know how to solve Messenger floating video call, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Messenger and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click for stop. After that, in this page you will enter to storage. Then you will go to click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.